This is Mrs. Wilcoskis in the library, and it is February 15th, 2017. And this video is on how to use video on demand resources for research for this project, because I think two of them in particular would be very helpful. So we're going to look at this box right here, and you click through here to get your student usernames and passwords if it requires you to do so. Sometimes when you access it through school, or through Haiku, it should be authenticated, like NBC Learn and Classroom Video on Demand is usually authenticated, but PBS LearningMedia and Discovery Education are not, so you'll need a password. But in case these two links break, you still have the password here. So I'm going to pull up NBC Learn first. It's my favorite, but it really is only best for something, a topic that's more current. So I'm going to type in Pope. I'm looking at the topics for this on this topic sheet. So I just typed in Pope Francis because I knew that would be a current topic. And let's see, is it thinking? No, there we go. Sorry. Alrighty. So let's say I want to look at this video. Pope Francis chosen as the Time Magazine's 2013 Person of the Year. So I'm going to click through here. Okay, you can watch this video. Okay, this is
As you may have heard, Time Magazine
this is vetted information. You can use this for a research project. This typically can't be when you have your like junior history paper. They want 3 books and a scholarly article, but I don't think this project has that requirement. They just want vetted information that you can verify is good, and that's why we want to send you through the databases. So here's a video. If you watch it, it's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. It's not very long. If you like it, if you think it's helpful, you can actually pull over here and here are your transcripts. So you could actually, it is much easier to summarize from the written word typically than from watching a video. So you won't have to watch it like 5 times. Once you watch it once, if it's helpful to you, then you can grab the transcript and you can quote somebody if you want to, but or just summarize. The other thing that you can do is flip it over. You can get Chicago or APA or MLA. I think you guys are doing MLA for theology. You just copy it and paste it. Now, as always, you should check their citations. It's not perfect, or sometimes it's not perfect. You just need to kind of see. But it's a great place to start. And some of your teachers aren't that particular. You have to figure out which teachers are particular about this and which ones aren't. But anyway, hopefully that will help you for NBC Learn. Okay. If you go over to PBS LearningMedia, I will tell you this. I think their search function is terrible. So I typed in early Christian church. I tried to limit it, and I'm still getting all this crazy stuff. I have complained about this. They have the best content, but they have the worst search function. And so it's very hard to find something. So what I typically do if I want something from PBS is I actually go find it on PBS's website, find the title of it. And once I know the title, then I can come in here and find it. So if you know that there's a PBS documentary on something that is involved in your topic, come to me. I'll help you find it because it's crazy. Okay. Next one is Classroom Video on Demand. And I think this is going to be the most helpful for anybody who is doing anything remotely, either from the ancient times all the way up to modern times. Okay. So I just typed in early Christian church. Let me just show you what I get. Okay, so I get 16 results, but so I get these segments. Basically, they're big videos that have been segmented into like chapters. So this video is 5 minutes and 15 seconds, okay? This comes from a video called Testament, the Early Church in the Jewish Diaspora, okay? Here's the section, 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Here's the whole video. So if you find that that's not enough information for you, you might want to go to the video itself. So we'll do this. We'll go to the Testament, the Early Church in the Jewish Diaspora. And you will see that here's the whole video, and here are the sections. So you can pick and choose which sections you think you need to watch. You don't have to watch the whole 52-minute video, okay? You pick the one that you think pertains to what you're talking about. A couple other things I really like about this is I find documentaries go far too slow for me. I find them painful to listen to. So there's a playback speed, so you can make it go faster. And there's closed caption on a lot of it. And then there's also the transcript. Now, I don't think the transcript's as easy to read as it is in NBC Learn, but I do think that transcript is helpful. Actually, if you watch it, I think it highlights it as it plays, in case that's helpful to you. Depends on what kind of learner you are. And then down here, you do have a citation tool. Click right there. And then if you want to just keep track of this, like in a Google Doc, you can actually highlight it, copy and paste, and then you can go back. It's just a link back to this video, and you can watch it again or just keep track of it. So hopefully that helps you. There could be more stuff in Discovery Education. It works very much like Classroom Video on Demand, and I think it'll be self-explanatory. But I think you're going to find more of what you want in Classroom Video on Demand. So we'll focus on that. Let me know if you have any questions.